Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily and very quickly send messages with love effect on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write comments after watching it and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, friends, let's get started. And first of all, please open the messaging app on your iPhone and go to the correspondence you need. Next, you can enter any text that you want. Or you can also enter some sticker if you need to. Then when you've entered the text, click on this send sign here. Click on it and hold it down. As you can see, friends, after that, a window like this appears. And now you need to go to the effects at the top. And here you're going to find just the effect with the heart. It will also be written, this effect above your message, as you can see, will be the title, that it's a love effect. And now, to send that message, you just have to click on the send sign or the message itself. And then both you and the recipient of that message will see this effect. This is a very simple and quick way, friends, you can easily send a message with the effect of love on the iPhone. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.